Hi, this is Dave at About Your Home Inspection. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about active radon systems. What is an active radon system? A radon system that is active actually pulls the air from underneath your home and blows it out through the roof line to get rid of all the radon gas in your home. Now, if you've had your home recently tested for radon and it came back high, the EPA recommends that you have an active radon system installed. In order to do this, the first thing they must do is core a hole through the concrete to get to the substrate below. They then insert a PVC pipe and seal it around the edges to make sure that it's airtight. Next, they'll seal all the visible cracks in the concrete of the basement floor, especially where the floor meets the wall. Then they'll put an airtight cover on your sump pump and your ejector pump if you have one. Next, they'll continue the piping process. If you have an external unit, the pipe is going to go directly through the exterior wall, and the fan and the shutoff switch will be mounted to the exterior of the home, and the piping will run above the roof line. If you're having an internal system installed, like this one here, it runs out into the garage, up along the wall, and into the attic. In the attic, they will install the fan and a shutoff switch, and this fan will actually pull the air from underneath the house and bring it out through the roof line in a pipe that resembles a plumbing vent. Once this system is installed, they put in a manometer or a water tube to let you know if the system is running properly. Now, this picture is taken when the system was off, and you can tell that it's off because the two lines on the water tube are parallel to each other. If the system is working properly, the lines will be uneven. The piece of tubing that actually goes into the PVC pipe will be higher than the other piece, and that's because it's actually pulling vacuum. So again, this is not working, and this is working. So if you have any questions about radon, you can actually call our office at 847-669-9040 or go to our website, aboutyourhomeinspection.com. If you'd like to schedule a radon test for your home, again, you can call our office at 847-669-9040, or you can conveniently schedule online at aboutyourhomeinspection.com. Again, this is Dave at About Your Home Inspection. Thanks for watching.